So, this is my first video. I want you to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So, this whole video, my whole YouTube channel is mostly going to be about horror stuff. So, if you like horror stuff, subscribe. I have a mask on because I don't want to show my face yet. I might do a face reveal another day, but not today. So, today we're going to be reviewing this. Okay, so, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Let's watch a video clip. So, you know what? I like this movie. This is one of my favorite movies of all time. And this mask is inspired by the movie. So, yeah, it's a pretty good movie. There's a few things I like about it. It's not too gory, but they make the aspect of the movie like really good. So yeah, they make the movie really good. It's my first video. It's probably not gonna be that good if I want to be honest, but yeah, I love this movie. It's probably one of my favorite movies of all time. It's just really good overall. What else is, Sally Hardesty is probably one of my favorite final girls of all time. That's another thing. So, I mean, this has been a pretty short video, but make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Or die.